Hi friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me introduce a more powerful herb, Atibala. Atibala or Indian mallow means very powerful. It's a common roadside weed which is grown in hotter parts of India as a weed. In traditional systems of medicine, its roots, leaves, flowers, bark, seeds, and stems are used. The plant possesses anti-inflammatory, diuretic, analgesic, antimicrobial, wound healing, and anti-diarrheal properties. These properties help it to manage diseases like boils and ulcers, fever, cataract, diarrhea, leg pain, snake bite, piles, cough, leprosy, dry cough, bronchitis, etc. Now, Atibala is called with different names in different languages in India. In English, or the botanical name is Ablution indicum, Ablution indicum, Kankatica, Badela, Indian mallow, Kansaki, Kafat, Kangi, Turube, Uram, Urubam, Tutti, Petari, Mudra. These are the different names in Indian languages. Usually, the source of Atibala is the plant. Now, let me come to the benefits of Atibala. First major benefit of Atibala is wound healing. Atibala promotes quick healing of wounds, decreases swelling, brings back the normal texture of the skin. A paste of Atibala powder and coconut oil helps in quick healing and reduces inflammation due to its healing and cold properties. How to promote Atibala for wound healing? Take half to 1 teaspoon of Atibala powder. Add some coconut oil and mix it to make a paste. Apply this paste on the affected area once a day for faster wound healing. Second major benefit of the Atibala is wrinkles. Wrinkles arise due to aging, dry skin, and lack of moisture. According to Ayurveda, it is due to the aggravated Vata. Atibala helps in controlling wrinkles and increases the moisture content of the skin because of its oily nature. Atibala, when used with honey, gives you glowing skin. How to use Atibala to get rid of wrinkles? Take half to 1 tablespoon of Atibala powder. Mix some coconut oil and make a paste. Apply it to the affected area and you get rid of your wrinkles very soon. Third major benefit of Atibala is it reduces toothache. Atibala helps to reduce toothache when its decoction is used for gargling. According to Ayurveda, mouth acts as a seat of Kapha dosha, and an imbalance in Kapha might lead to several dental problems like toothache. Atibala helps to manage a toothache due to its Kapha balancing nature. How to use Atibala to get relief from toothache? Take half to 1 tablespoon of Atibala powder, 2 cups of water to it and bring it to a boil. Wait 5 to 10 minutes till it reduces to half a cup to form Atibala decoction. Gargle once or twice a day to get rid of Atibala. So these were the 3 major benefits of Atibala. Firstly, we had wound healing property. Second one, it gets rid of wrinkles. And third one, the most important is it reduces toothache. Now, let us take precautions while using Atibala. Those who are allergic to Atibala, Please avoid it. And this video is for educational purpose only. If you are using Atibala, you take the advice of a medical practitioner who practices Ayurveda. And the recommended dosage for Atibala is half to 1 tablespoon as per your requirement. How to use Atibala? You can use Atibala in powdered form. You can use Atibala as a decoction. So in these two forms, Atibala can be used. Atibala is a weed. It's found everywhere on the roadsides. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Your each like will motivate me to come up with more such videos. Thank you.